back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, just finished, we're making some porridge, but we're going to do a vegan version. This is a coconut milk and banana version that I like. Really simple, super healthy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started on this. Really simple. So I've got here 2 parts of water and 1 part of our oats. And depending on what type of oats you use, you can get some kind of instant ones or harder kind of less flaky ones. These are pretty kind of instant, these ones. So 2 parts of water to 1 part of the oats. Now, what you'd normally do is you'd put 3 water to 1. I'm using 2 water because I'm going to be adding some coconut milk to this as well, but not just yet. What we do need to do is add a little touch of salt. Just a little bit there. Not too much at all. Let's turn this down to a simmer. And we want this to go just for about 5 to 6 minutes, and we're going to be stirring pretty much all the time. So as you can see, the water is absorbs really well. Now we're going to add coconut milk. I've got a can here, that's about half a can so far, and we just need to get it to the consistency that we like now. So again, let's go for about another 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. And that's a lovely consistency for me, beautifully creamy. What we're going to do now is we're going to add some sugar. I'm using white sugar. You could be using brown, or of course you could be using honey if you wanted. We're going to put a little bit here of cinnamon powder. And I've got 1 banana, which I've just roughly chopped. And we want to go with this now, again on a nice lowish heat, just for another couple of minutes. Now you can adjust this, touch more salt, less salt, more sugar, less sugar, entirely up to you. And again, I like the consistency of this. You might not, you might want it thicker or a bit more runny, that's up to you, but you can just add a little bit more water or the coconut milk. So that's pretty much done. Let me get that into a bowl. Okay, and there you go. Really, really simple and beautiful vegan porridge, banana and coconut version. Like I say, play around with it and get some other little bits and pieces in there. I find sometimes a little bit of caraway or some cardamom powder can really work if you like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.